You need experienced and intelligent faculty, lest smart, creative, intelligent children pull the wool over their teachers, like in this cartoon. Right from its inception, the faculty Delta have been of the persuasion that the best way to teach has been to go to the truth or the kernel or the core of a topic. That's not going to change now. Finally, the last question. What is the total cost of a foreign college degree? You really don't have to do this if you prepare early. That's why I talked about project management. Otherwise, remember, here he's talking about 60,000 times, that is $60,000 per year. So you're talking about 80 lakhs or more if you're not well prepared. The point of going to a program like ours is that we can help you go to the right kind of colleges where you are likely to get some financial aid. So instead of 8 lakhs, if you get full scholarship, it becomes 0 lakhs, or it could be 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 lakhs, depending on the kind of aid package you manage to get. Remember, the top competitive colleges have need blind admissions policy. So if you are deserving, they make up the difference. And if you make it to one of the top colleges, it is fairly not complicated to get financial aid in a lower university in the form of a scholarship. So therefore, advanced planning makes a lot of sense. Thank you. So long. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.